What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the paint day video for the totaled Civic Type R that we've been rebuilding. In yesterday's video, we got this thing completely prepped out in the booth and masked off. Here's all the other parts and pieces that we are ready to spray. Val's over there finishing up the front bumper, and then all the small pieces are hanging off this wood here. So we are pretty much ready to go. We got to start getting some stuff cleaned up, slopping down some sealer on the areas that need sealer, and then we can start painting. You excited for this paint job? Yes? No?
Yes, I'm excited. I didn't realize you pointing camera.
Let's race. I'll spray half, you spray half.
Who's gonna make a run first?
If we race, then it'll be dry spray everywhere. What's up?
I'm here to check up on your all's work.
Go look at it.
Okay. Is it all hanging up and stuff? So
Yes.
I already looked at that. Is this all ready to go?
Very nice, very nice. We're gonna get started off with blowing all these parts off and then waxing grease to remove all the parts and then blow them off again, tack rag, and start laying down some sealer. That looks pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Like the body work. Do you see anything weird?
No, that's what I'm trying to see, if there's anything weird.
Yeah.
I don't like this edge is sharp and this one just curvy.
That's getting real picky though. For the most part, it looks really good. That shit covers good.
Run? No pinhole.
Little defect. So the only point of sealer is so we're not doing like 40 coats of base, right?
Yeah.
And it's way cheaper to use sealer than the color. I think that core was like 40 bucks and it covered everything just fine.
Also, it helps when there's a primer or something, not to anything to come back.
Yeah, and it fills in scratches too. It's a win-win-win. I'll just leave it flat black.
It looks cool.
Yeah.
Let's check it out there.
I don't know, that bodywork looks pretty damn good. Don't you think?
I think so. It looks straight to me. I don't see any
issues. As soon as we put clear on,
it's gonna shine. Let's put it clear right now.
Right? Just clear over the sealer.
It's gonna be matte. Oh no, it's not gonna be. It's gonna be glossy.
Yeah.
48 ounce. You just trying to say that's corked in a half?
It's okay, Val. We'll be all right.
I hate this. All right, moving on to some base. I'm gonna spray the car and the front bumper on that side, and then Val's gonna take care of the doors, the fenders, and these little pieces right up in here. Don't roast Val, he's old school like Bob and prefers no mask. Where's your mask at, Val?
In the store?
See the master at work. First coat is laid down and it's turning out amazing. We're gonna let this flash for a while. We're doing 2 coats and then we're gonna hit it with the sunlight. I think that's what this thing is called at least. I'll show you why, because this thing is very bright. Oh yeah. Probably gonna do 3 coats total just so we don't have any cloudiness or nothing weird going on. We would be spraying the chassis of the car in the other booth, but Bob is over here spraying out a Mustang. I think it's a 67 Mustang that he's spraying today. After further inspection of the panels, unfortunately the ones that Val sprayed are very, very dirty, so we think his gun was dirty. Everything that I sprayed is clean, which is nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and sand out all the dirt right now before we start doing more base. Can't have dirty panels. I honestly never knew until we sprayed Bobby's car that you can sand your base coat.
See how dirty it is in there?
Well, you see, it's gold.
Let me grab a light so you boys can actually see it. By the way, this is launching on Friday.
Wow.
I'll tell you guys everything we're launching in the upcoming video, but I just had to show you this real quick. Friday is the launch, and it's gonna be insane. Last coat of color is sprayed.
Yeah, almost few spots needed to add, but...
All right, now for the fun part. Moving on to clear. We are gonna be spraying what I always spray, MC161 Omni. I've been spraying it for a while, and I'm very familiar with it, so that's what we're gonna be spraying today.
Ready for the squats?
Yes. Ready?
Sorry. Beautiful.
This is definitely the nicest paint job that I've ever done. This is only the first coat. We're gonna just do 2 coats, being that it's laying down so flat. I usually do 3 because I always have to deal with orange peel, but this is laying down so freaking nice. Val did the doors, all that random stuff over there in this fender, then I did that fender and all these parts. And of course this door on this side, being that we blended the door. The only thing I don't like is this door does have quite a bit of dirt in it, but it's okay. Look how flat that is. I'm stoked. One more coat of clear and we're done. Time to bake it. See what you think, Bobby.
Wow, it actually looks like a car. It doesn't look like 10 different cars. That one has like no orange peel in it at all.
Yes.
Did you paint that one?
Nope, Val did all that. Val did the doors, I did the bumper, I did that fender, I did the car.
Dang.
Bumper's titties, huh?
Yeah. You got blue in it? Oh yeah. You know, it's pretty cool, but not as cool as mine.
The coolest thing is, you remember that pillar and
Yes.
the quarter panel? See if you can find any defect that Val did with his frame repair and body work.
Wasn't it like right in
This
this
whole thing
area?
was smashed. Pretty
You
nuts.
would literally never know.
Now look at the quarter panel.
Yeah, you literally would never know.
I think it's time, Val. We got to open up a auto body shop now.
Why open up? We just bite this one off.
All right, my friends, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see it assembled, we're gonna be doing that most likely in tomorrow's video, being that we bake the car. It should be plenty dry by tomorrow, and we should be good to go. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Goodbye.